Today I'm going to make a version of the beef sushi for dogs. Set your circulator to 65.5 degrees Celsius. While your water is heating up, vacuum seal your chicken. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, you can just use a Ziploc bag. And also vacuum seal your beef. I'll be demonstrating two different methods of sous vide. When you're done, take out your beef and give it a good old smack, for reasons. When your pot of water reaches temperature, drop in your chicken. Now you can do the beef after the chicken, but to save time, I like to do both the meats simultaneously. But because I'm not made of money, I'm not gonna pay for another immersion circulator. So what I did here is I put an instant read thermometer into a pot of water, heated it to my target temperature, which is about 55 Celsius for about medium rare. Put the lid on and set your temperature to 1 hour long. And just wait. Check on the temperature every 10 minutes or so. Make sure it's at 55. This method works remarkably well. The only downside is you do have to check it every once so often. Now when it's done, take out your beef and let it cool down for a bit. We're gonna sear the beef now. Last week I used a pan, but this time I'm gonna show you my blowtorch method. Get a pot, fill it with a bit of water, put a grill over it, let there be fire.
Really, the only word for it is...
This is always the favorite part of cooking for me. Here is Princess Pet Pet. She wants the beef right here, right now. Pet Pet. Here's how to make the rice for the sushi. Grains aren't so good for dogs, so that's why we're gonna use the chicken to make rice. Remember folks, a sharp knife is a safe knife. Now grab a bit of the minced chicken meat and fashion them into little meatballs. Rice balls. Now slice into your steak and marvel into how good the sous vide technique is even without specialized equipment. See? Perfect edge-to-edge pink. Juicy. Perfectly done. I want to do it medium rare so it still looks kind of raw, as sushi should be. Searing beef well is important because all of the bacteria on beef grows on the surface. So here's what I did. I chopped off the edges, the crusty bits, so it looks like raw beef. Put it on a nice plate, and here's how I'm gonna make wasabi for dogs. Boil a few peas beforehand while you are waiting for the sous vide to finish cooking, and just mash it up with your fingers, and garnish it on top. And we're all done. Let's check back with our professional tail wagger. I think Her Royal Highness is satisfied today. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see some future recipes that I come up with. I'll be going back to human food next week. Here are some ultra wide angle doggy kisses.